Hi, everybody. This is Ruth Fry here, Realtor with Keller Williams Infinity out of Plainfield, Illinois. And because Veterans Day is coming up again, I want to make sure that everybody knows that there are a lot of VA benefits that you can receive, uh, and especially if you're looking to become a realtor or you're looking to purchase a home. So here is the benefits.va.gov, and the GI Bill is where I have entered into. Over here, it'll tell you home loans. If you click on home loans, it'll discuss VA home loans. Okay, once it shows you VA home loans, which appears in another tab, once you pick VA home loans, it will tell you what type of VA home loans that you can apply for, or what things that you need in order to apply for a VA home loan. I could talk to you about mortgage assistance, interest rate reduction, refinance loans. There's all sorts of programs under VA loans that frankly aren't taken advantage of enough. It's here, so why don't we use them? One of the things that's most interested to me is a Native American direct loan. If you read up on that, it's a great product, and I think that would benefit a bunch of people who probably aren't really using it. Um, Also on here, it goes into education and training. So it'll give you information about what the GI Bill does, or if you're a student and you have questions or things like that. So the reason I'm pointing this out, not only because it is coming up on Veterans Day, but because I am VA certified. And because I am VA certified, it means that I have taken a class that teaches me more about what VA loans can and cannot do. So if you, as a veteran, are thinking about buying a home, or even getting a second home or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me. There's a lot of lenders that I can probably show you to that work with VA loans, and I will direct you to one of those people. Also, I do give a discount for veterans when they sell their home with me. So if you are selling your home, I will give you a discount if you are a veteran. All you got to do is prove you're a veteran. So anyway, just wanted to make this quick video and let you know kind of like some services that I thought were important that people don't take really a big advantage of. And as always, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, please feel free to email me at realestateruthie, that's RUTHIE, at gmail.com, or you can leave a comment under this video and I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your service.